In this video, we'll demonstrate a fast and effective in-situ repair on a damaged process vessel using Resimac's 106 metal repair paste and 808 reinforcement tape. Designed for emergency and on-site repairs on metallic surfaces, this fast-curing epoxy system is ideal when a quick return to service is essential. It provides a strong, long-lasting solution for both urgent maintenance and planned repairs. Because of the product's high tolerance, repairs can be carried out with minimal surface preparation. Start by cleaning the surface with a suitable cleaner, such as MEK, to remove any oil, grease or contaminants. Mark the damaged area with tape to clearly outline the repair site. The product is supplied in pre-measured volumes for easy and precise mixing. Remove equal amounts of both the activator and base onto a clean mixing board and blend thoroughly. To check if the paste is fully mixed, score through the mixture with the spatula. This will help you identify a uniform colour and ensure there are no unmixed areas. Cut a piece of high-strength woven tape and fully saturate both sides with the paste. Due to its rapid curing properties, mixing and application must be completed within 5 minutes at 20 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Apply the paste generously to the prepared surface, ensuring even coverage across the entire repair area. Once the paste is applied, firmly place the saturated tape over the damaged section, pressing down along the edges to create full contact and a secure bond. Smooth out any air bubbles or excess material to ensure a strong, long-lasting repair. The paste can be applied in thicknesses up to 20 mm without slumping, making it ideal for both vertical and horizontal metallic surfaces. Curing can be done at ambient temperatures at 20 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees Fahrenheit, with full curing achieved in 4 hours. Alternatively, the process can be accelerated with the application of heat. Resimac's 106 Metal Repair Paste XF is a fast-curing, reliable solution for a wide range of industrial repairs. It's commonly used for repairing damaged pump shafts, cracked valve casings, and sealing leaking tank seams. Its versatility makes it ideal for demanding environments, including underwater repairs on hulls and structures, as well as emergency fixes for flanges and engine blocks. For more detailed information, please contact our Resimac team, who will be happy to assist you.